Hi friends, this is Miss Linda and we had some lesson this week called Sink or Float. Did you try it yet? If not, I am going to try it and you can watch me. Right here, I'm sitting at the table, so I'm going to show you the table. I collected some things from around the classroom just to see if they sink or they float. Do you know what sink means? Sink means it goes to the bottom. It's heavy. It's heavier than the water we're going to use. So the area of water is lighter than something that sinks. If it floats, that means it's lighter than the water around. So we're going to guess first if it's going to sink or float. Here's my water. I'll bring it down again like this. And I need a paper. Let's see. Push all these up here. And I'm going to take a paper and I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to make a column. It will be down the middle. And we will write sink on this side, S-I-N-K, sink, and float on this side. Sink and float. That's what it looks like. So when let's see, we'll do this one first. Here is my water. And this is an apple. But it's not a real apple. This apple is from our kitchen area. So it is our play food. Do you think, will it sink? Is it heavier than the water? Or will it float? It's lighter than the water. Okay, make your guess. Let's see, we're going to test it now. Here we go. In it goes. What did it do? It floated. Oh my goodness. Did you guess that right? It floats. So we're going to make a little tally mark at our float side. The apple floated. So one of our things floated. Next, let's try, oh, this is kind of cool. It's a rock. You see? It's a rock. It was from outside. Do you think this will sink to the bottom or float to the top? Is it heavier than the water or lighter than the water? Okay, let's give it a try. Keep your guess, your prediction in your mind. Here we go. Oh, that was different. Did it sink or float? It sank. So we're going to put a tally mark right there. So far, one, the apple, floated, and one was the rock. It sank. What do you think the next thing we'll do? Okay, let's see. I think I'll use a feather. Beautiful blue feather. What's your prediction? What do you think the feather will do in the water? Will it sink or float? Okay, here we go. We're going to try it. There you go. What's it doing? Just like when it's on a bird, it keeps the water off. It floated. So we're going to add another tally mark here. How many things have floated so far? 1, 2. How many things have sank? 1. Which one has more? You're right, floating. 2 is more than 1. Let's try something else. What should we do? Well, what about a marble? What will our marble do? Okay, get your prediction in your head. Will it sink or float? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it sank. You're right. Here comes another tally. I think we have the same. 2 floated and 2 sank. Oh, I'm going to leave him in there. That water's kind of cold. What do you think will happen if we use Legos? We have a window and a person. Will they sink or float? Make your prediction, and then we'll put it in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. What happened? Oh my goodness, did they fall to the bottom? Did they sink? Or are they floating? You're right. Both of them are floating. 2 different Legos, and they floated. Oh, they are lighter than the water. Okay, let's pick one more thing. Do you want to use Mr. Potato Head feet? Another rock? Another piece of kitchen, our pretend food? A wooden bead? Oh, I think you guys probably want to see the car. What do you think the car will do? Will it sink or float? Make your guess right now. It's our last one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it sank. Here comes one more there. We are all done with seeing what sinks and what floats. There's our numbers. That was fun. Look at our numbers. How many things floated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 things floated. How many things sank? Count your tallies. 1, 2, 3. 3 things sank. Which one had the least? 3. 3 is less than 4. Yep. 4 had the most. Sink had the least. According to our tally, more things floated than sank. That was kind of fun. How about you find some things around your house and you try it out yourself? I wonder if you even put the pumpkin you had. You could maybe, before you take a bath or when you're in the bathtub is water, isn't it? I wonder if your pumpkin, while you're taking a bath, will sink or float. I wonder when you're doing dishes, if dishes sink or float. There's lots of time to try lots of things and see how many things you find sink or float. We'll see you later. You guys have a great weekend. Bye.